Hey, I'm Bill Umansky. On behalf of your attorneys, paralegals, and client relations team, we welcome you to the Umansky Law Firm. The purpose of this video is to explain what you can expect at an arraignment. There are three things that usually happen at an arraignment. One, at an arraignment, the state is required to let you know what charges they plan to file against you. You see, when you either got arrested or issued a notice to appear or citation, that was the police's decision on what to charge you, but ultimately, it's up to the state of Florida and the prosecutor. At an arraignment, they will tell you what those charges are if they plan on filing them. The second thing that happens at an arraignment is a lot of people who are unrepresented wait online outside of the courtroom for hours to see the judge. The lucky thing for you is, since you hired our law firm, we will be entering a plea for you so that you do not have to take off of work or school or anything else and show up. 3. One of three pleas can be entered at arraignment. One is a plea of guilty. That means that you just agree that you did the crime and you want to do the time, or just get sentenced for it. Most people don't plead guilty. The second thing that you could do is to plead no contest. No contest means that you don't admit to the crime, but that you just want to get it over, that's in your best interest. Got to be careful with that one initially, because the arraignment is a very quick time to do that. The state may not even have decided to file charges against you. The third plea you can enter is a plea of not guilty. Since you hired a private attorney, us, that's what we will file for you, regardless of whether you're guilty or not. You see, we're still going to try to get the charge dropped, and we're still going to want to see that evidence against you, because you never know what's going to happen during the criminal process. What happens next? If the state decides to drop the charges, we're going to find out on or before arraignment, and the case is over. More than likely, we're able to contact the prosecutor, get in touch with them, pitch your story, and the charge is over. And unless the state refiles, you're done and will never have to go to court on this case at all. If the state decides to file charges, don't despair. That's when additional work and defense will be provided on your behalf. We'll be attempting to get the state's evidence against you, and there'll be a new court called the pretrial conference. The mission at the Umansky Law Firm is to obtain outstanding results and always to move a client forward in a positive direction. So keep it positive and let us do our work for you. I'm Bill Umansky, the Lawman, out.